Do you have eccentric oblique control, or are you just kind of popping up and popping down? That eccentric control is extremely important for our body. So I want you to, next time you do an oblique exercise, I want you to think not only of the bringing down portion for your ribs, but I want you to think about how you're releasing and letting go. So are you just popping out and letting that rib cage go, or are you working your way down, staying connected, staying connected, staying connected, staying connected, and really working that eccentric? Whew, you're gonna feel that a lot more. So coming back, concentric, coming down, work that eccentric, keep that connection, lengthen that muscle instead of just being like, whoop, muscle's done, don't care, not firing it at all. Okay, so see if you can work that eccentric portion and get so much more out of your oblique work.